In this video, we will see how to make videos using AI with some simple prompts, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Invideo AI is being used by almost 25 million people in the world and also has a lot of amazing reviews. To use Invideo, open it from the link in description. If you have never used it before, click here on Sign Up, enter your email and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click here on Login. Over here, you can either paste your video script along with instructions, or just enter instructions about the video you want. I will enter a quick prompt, make a short 30-second video telling 3 amazing facts about human body. After entering the prompt, click on Generate a Video. Now wait for this AI tool to do its magic. After a while, you will see this option to select some details about the video. I will select Audience as Curious Minds, Look and Feel as Clean and Platform as YouTube Shorts. Click Continue. The initial steps are all complete. Invideo will now take some time and complete the video for us. Let us skip to the part where the video is ready. The video is ready, let's play it.
Why do 100% of people have bodies that are full of surprises? Let's unpack 3 stunning facts about the human body. Did you know that the human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail? And here's another one. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself. Last but not least, every day your heart creates enough energy to drive a truck for 20 miles. With a machine this incredible, you're not just living, you're a walking miracle.
The video is pretty awesome. If you are not satisfied, click here on Edit. You can edit the media, script, or the music from here. You can also give some other commands to make changes to the existing video. You can see some sample commands over here. After entering the command, just click on Generate. To download the video, click on Export. You will be able to select whether you want watermarks or not, the Invideo branding or the quality of the video. After selecting your choices, you can export the video, but in order to do that we need a paid plan. So click here on Upgrade. We have 3 plans over here. Also, if you select yearly plan, you will get 20% off. You can compare the plan benefits and decide the one suitable for you. If you want more benefits under the same plan, drag here and you will see an increment in the features along with the price. You can click here to choose a monthly plan. To buy, simply click here and you will get the option to make payment. Complete the payment, and you will be able to download your videos. If you want to know about another AI tool that can write SEO-optimized articles, then check out this video here. If you like this video, then do drop a like, and subscribe to my channel to know about such amazing AI tools. If you want a video on a specific AI tool, then drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.